Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show the process of how I made these beautiful bridal shower cookies. The first thing that I did was cut this batch of cookie dough in half because my customer ordered a half batch. I sell my cookies by a full batch or a half batch. A half batch contains about 20 cookies and a full batch is about 40. This is me going downstairs, finding cookie cutters and getting everything prepared for the order. Maybe I can do a video on this amazing baking shelf that I have downstairs. Now you see me cutting cookies out to get ready to put in the oven. Bridal shower cookies are one of my favorite themed cookies to make just because they are so pretty and delicate. Next you see me placing them in the oven, and because these are butter cookies, they only need to bake about 7 minutes and they have this perfect golden brown base on the bottom. Once they dry, which does not take long at all, I usually put them on a cooling rack for about 10 minutes or so, and usually during that time I'm preparing my icing. I go ahead and fill the cookies like so. I prefer to fill everything with white if I can, especially if it has to do with a bridal shower, just because white looks nice and crisp. Now I'm making S+C cookies with a little heart at the bottom in white, and then I will put another white plus sign in the middle of S and C, so later I can paint gold on top of the white. And then I just repeat this process for the rest of the square cookies. I loved the emerald green that the bride chose, and later you will see with the gold accents that it looks really nice together. And this is a template that I use to decorate the cookies. Templates are awesome because they make it really easy to make very intricate designs. Next, we put white accents on the dresses for a waistband and the top, and then a little green I kind of did in the shape of a heart. So here the cookies are, just in white and emerald. I did not show myself icing the rings for some reason, but that's what they look like. And once the white dries, I go ahead with my gold paint and I just paint on top of the white icing. And I actually have a video on this that is posted, I think, prior to this one. So if you want to learn how to make gold paint, you should go check that video out. I will link it at the end. But painting gold really doesn't take that long. It makes the cookies look extra intricate and difficult, and also just pretty, just because gold on cookies I think looks very nice. Once all of the cookies dry, the last thing to do is take photos. So here I am taking photos, and this is kind of a sneak peek of other desserts that I will be posting a video of probably next. So look forward to that, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I have my contact and social media info right here.